What's up? Time to man up. Raiders, keep your intervals wide, your eyes open, and your asses covered. Let's move. Plan. Raiders,
Don't go up that road.
maybe. Sounds like a plan. Time to man up. Count on me. Time to man up. Sounds like a plan. Raiders roll. Time to man up. Sounds like I'm getting mighty tired of seeing Meng's face. Blast it. Where is everyone? Raiders roll.
My neighbors. My family.
This is starting to look ugly. You can count on?
Commander, a large Dominion force is gathering in the center of town.
Then it's time to call in that special delivery we talked about.
This better be good. Thanks for the assist. We're with you, Raider.
Work hard, stand proud. We must all sacrifice for the glory of the Dominion.
Sounds like a plan. Time to man up. Sounds like a plan. You can count on me. Raiders roll. Sounds like a plan. Minsk has a lot to pay for.
Thank you, Raider. We knew you wouldn't forget us.
There's more people still being held up ahead.
I'll see to them.
Marshal Rayner. Been a while since we saw you around here.
We're with you, Raiders!
This is a restricted area. You insurgents are under arrest. We got your back, Raider.
Roll. Time to man up. You can count on me. Sounds like a plan. You can count on me.